Journal Reflection, Week 2, by Peter McGough. What I knew coming into the week is that the myth of the average learner is just that. It's a myth. There's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all model. When you design for one-size-fits-all, you're really designing for nobody. As a teacher, it's important that we recognize diversity and understand that it contributes to the common good, and ignoring variability in our curriculum limits the learning possibility for many students. Teachers need to be able to recognize the talents in students. And this is not easy unless you design a curriculum that gives students options when it comes to showing what they know. What I learned is that variability exists in all of us, that we're all different. And because of that, when we design lessons, we need to incorporate multiple means of engagement, representation, and action and expression. Teachers need to create a framework that creates options for students. This framework needs to lower the barriers of learning. It can include incorporating different technologies. Could be something simple as graphic organizers. We could survey students to find out what their interests are and try to make sure that our curriculum gets them engaged. All of these things I've learned will increase the variability of my lessons. How am I going to demonstrate my new understanding of variability? Well, the first thing I have to understand is that it doesn't have to be that hard. That universal design can be used in a lot of different disciplines and content areas. That we have to take into account that emotions and cognition go hand in hand. So, if we want students to be excited about what they're learning, we have to give them some choices on what they can learn. Structured choices, of course. We have to design curriculum that is flexible, both in process and in product. By doing these things, by building in variability, we can design better curriculum.